Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome in APSEX online support program. This is week 16 of English language of class 5, OSP round 3. Textbook, Cambridge Global English Learner Book, page number Learner Book 41, Unit 3, topic past, simple, regular and irregular verbs, resources required, learner books and loot sheets. Summary of the lesson. First of all, we will revise the rules of simple past tense. Then we will discuss regular and irregular verb, and in the end we will make negative and interrogative sentence in simple past tense. Thought of the day. The only difference between a good day and a bad day is your attitude. It means if you are feeling good and you are in a good state of mind, your attitude is positive. If you are in a low state of mind, your attitude becomes negative. Motivational questions. What is the formula or rules of simple past tense? As you know very well and you have done in previous classes and previous lessons. Now recall the regular and irregular verbs. Can you make sentence of simple past tense in negative and interrogative or questions? Here are the learning objectives. First of all, we will revise the rules of simple past tense. We will discuss regular and irregular verbs with examples. Discuss the structure of simple past tense in negative and interrogative sentences. And in the end, we will attempt exercises in the loot sheets. Simple past tense. What is simple past tense? Simple past tense is used to indicate those actions which began in the past time and also got over in the past time. It means action remains in the past time. Here is the structure of simple past tense. As you know, when we make any sentence, we need subject, verb and object. Here you will see that I is a subject, solve is a verb and the sum is object. Here is the example. He played football. The simple past tense, regular and irregular verbs. Here we will see the difference between the regular and irregular verbs. Irregular verbs have special past tense forms. They do not end in D or ED. You will need to memorize these special forms. Example, drive, drove. Regular verb, when forming the past tense of regular verbs, add D or ED to the present tense form of the verb. Example, cook. Cook is a present form of a verb. When you will add ED with it, then it becomes the past form of a verb, that is cooked. Irregular verbs. Irregular verbs are swim, swam, swum, teach, taught, taught, buy, bought, bought, speak, spoke, spoken, do, did, done, sell, sold, sold, wear, wore, wore, worn, read, 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 hear, heard, heard, eat, ate, eaten, run, ran, run, put, 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 go, went, gone, cut, 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 fall, fell, fallen, drink, drank, drunk, fly, flew, flown, choose, chose, chosen. Regular verbs are, here you will see that only we add D or ED with it and it becomes the regular form of a verb and the past tense. Accept, accepted, accepted, agree, agreed, agreed, ask, asked, asked, believe, believed, believed, call, called, called, close, closed, closed, decide, decided, decided, discuss, discussed, discuss, and ended, ended, fill, filled, filled, help, helped, helped, Invite, invited, invited. Here is the wrong example of invited. In place of E, we will use I. Learn, learn, learn. Listen, listen, listen. Move, moved, moved. Need, needed, needed. Play, played, played. Walk, walked, walked. Irregular verbs. Irregular verb have different form in simple past, and here are the example. Vanagari won many awards for her work. Here you will see that win in the first form, and but we will use the second form, that is won, and this is a simple past tense sentence. She taught at several universities. Teach is a first form, but when we are making simple past tense sentence, we use the second form. Regular verbs in the simple past tense and in ed. Here you will see the example. She moved back to Kenya. Only we used ed with the verb and becomes the past tense. She planted trees. She studied biology. Now we know the simple past tense. How can we make a negative sentences? He went to the shops is a simple past sentence. When we will use or we will convert it into the negative one, then we use did and not. He didn't go to the shops. Now you know the second form of the verb of went is go. So he didn't go to the shop. Questions. Did subject plus verb base form. You saw me yesterday. Did you see me yesterday? Nick took his medicine. Did Nick take his medicine? She gave you the book. Now it's your turn to think and say the question sentence of this one, last one. Simple past tense sentences. Here are the examples given here, how to make a positive, negative and question sentence. You will just go through it and then you will find the difference. Okay, how can we make a positive sentence or affirmative, negative and questions. There is the task 1. Here is a worksheet given here. You will just do in the loose sheets. There is one more task, that's the task 2. Here is the fill in the blanks and you will use the irregular past tense. And this work is also to be done in the loose sheets. 2 practice tasks 1 and 2 in the loose sheets. Thank you.